No matter how simple or complex a hydraulic system is, the principle is always the same. The power supply unit converts other forms of energy into hydraulic energy, creates the pump delivery flow, and conditions the hydraulic oil. This is how that looks when represented with circuit diagram symbols. Starting on the left, the pressure gauge, and beneath it the pressure relief valve that has been set to the nominal pump pressure, and the pump with motor and filter. Beneath that is the tank. At the top is the adjustable pressure relief valve for system pressure. Here is a simplified diagram of power supply and pressure relief valve for system pressure, together with reservoir. In the power control section, the energy medium, that is the hydraulic oil, is controlled according to the functions of the individual system parts. Direction of flow, pressure, flow rate. These are the jobs performed by valves. Directional control valves, pressure valves, flow control valves, and non-return valves. And this is a representation of a power control section in a circuit diagram. As you can see, the return lines to the tank are indicated by a symbol at the appropriate valve, but not fully drawn. Finally, we have the drive unit, where the actual work is done. But what we have here basically is another energy conversion, from hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. With the drive unit, our circuit diagram is complete. It provides precise information on the design and function of the system, just as clearly and simply for a complex system as for a simple one. The advantages of hydraulics, which include high force, precision, accurate controllability, and adjustability of force and speed, just to mention a few, make it especially well suited for use in many areas of modern technology.